students. We are studying the chapter Microorganisms, Friends and Foes. In this, we have already started studying about the friendly and useful microorganisms. Uh, Under this, we have studied about how these bacteria are helpful in making curd, right? And also how this yeast helps in making bread softer, right? So today we are going to learn some more applications of microorganisms. Yeast helps in brewing alcohol. Brewing means what? It is nothing but making. Okay, so this yeast helps in making alcohol. Okay, so here we use some grains like barley, wheat, rice, and also some fruits for making alcohol. Okay, so we are going to add yeast to these grains or fruits. Okay, so here you can see yeast is used for making alcoholic beverages from barley, wheat, rice and fruits by the process of fermentation. So what is fermentation? It is the process of converting sugar into alcohol by yeast. So where is this sugar present? This sugar is present in wheat, rice, barley and fruits. Okay, so whatever sugar present in these grains and fruits are consumed by yeast. Okay, see here yeast plus glucose gives alcohol plus carbon dioxide. This glucose or sugar is converted into alcohol by the yeast. Okay, so here one important process is fermentation. So you should be knowing about the definition of fermentation. It is the process of converting sugar into alcohol by yeast. You may get the question, what is the fermentation? For this you have to write this much. Okay, in this picture you can see the making of wine. So wine making is something that has been done from thousands of years. It is not a recent one. Okay, so making wine is not just an art, but there is also a lot of science involved in this process. Fine. So for making wine, there are some 5 steps. Okay, harvesting, crushing, fermentation, clarification, aging and bottling. So here wine is in this picture. You can see this purple thing. What is this? These are nothing but grapes. Okay, so first step what they are going to do is they are going to harvest these grapes. Okay, then they are going to wash it and they are going to remove the stems which are attached to the grapes. Then they are going to put these grapes in a wide mouthed container. So see, this is a container. In this container they have uh, uh, we have these grapes. Okay, in the second step what they are going to do, they are going to crush these grapes. Okay, so nowadays we have machineries for crushing. Okay, in previous days they use feet. They were using feet to crush the uh, grapes. Okay, this crushing is done to remove the juice from the grapes. Then third step is fermentation. In this fermentation step they are going to add the yeast. Why? Because yeast is the main thing which is important thing, which is important thing which is required to convert the sugar into alcohol. Okay, so this takes a week or a month or even more. Then then the next step, that is clarification. They are going to filter this juice or a wine. Then they are going to keep it for aging and bottling. This will improve the quality